solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel chapter 03 Cumulative patients. In its project description, you work as a nurse in a health clinic. You record each patient systolic and diastolic blood pressure each week. A number of patients have requested blood pressure data and charts. This information helps patients to know if they are hypertension caused by high blood pressure. You prepared a spreadsheet that will be used as a template to track the patient blood pressure and heart rate. You are ready to create charts that you can use when discussing a patient blood pressure. That is our project description. In our first step, start, download Excel, open the file name Exp22 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative patient. So we will open this file. This is our file. We have now opened. And if you need help in the online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or any other subject, if you need help in assignments, quiz or exams, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, which is given in the screen, or you can contact me through my email address, which is given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. So we will move to our assignment. That's our first step. In our second step, weekly blood pressure reading have been entered for a sample patient. You want to create a clustered column chart to compare the reading for the month. After you create the chart, you will remove it to a chart sheet that will be used to contain several charts for easy reference. Create a clustered column chart using the range A2 to C7 on the April worksheet. We will go to the April worksheet. We will select A2 to C7 and we will go to the insert we will select the clustered column chart in the recommended chart, that is clustered column chart. We will select this one, and what is seeing, move the chart to a cell A1 in the chart sheets. We will move this chart to cell A1 to the chart worksheets. We have moved this one to here. We will cut this one and paste it into cell A1. We have pasted this one into cell A1. That's our second step. Our third step is the chart need a descriptive, easy to read title. Change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April. So we will copy this one and rename the chart title. Paste Ctrl V, press Ctrl V to paste this one. That's our third step. Our fourth step is, you realize that chart might be easier to read as a bar chart. Change the chart type to a clustered bar chart. So we will go to the chart design. We will go to the change chart type, and what he is saying, change the chart type to clustered bar chart. So we will go to the bars and we will select the clustered bar chart. This is our clustered bar chart. That is our fourth step. In the fifth step, you might increase the chart size to make easier to read on display screen. Select 4 inches height. We will change the height of the chart. We will go to the format ribbon. We will change the height of the chart to 4. That's number 5 steps. Number 6 step is you want to remove the additional dates displayed on the axis category axis. Select the dates on the axis and display the format as axis task pane. So we will go to here, we will select the dates here. So we will got the axis option there. And what we need to do now, in the axis option category, we will go to the axis option category. This is the axis option category. We already opened this. Select text axis to remove the extra dates from the chart. We need to select the text axis. We will go to the sheet and we will select text axis. So you see this one, when we select the text axis, the extra dates are removed now. So that's our 6th step. 7th step is you want to arrange the dates with the oldest date at the top. Display the dates in the reverse order on the category axis. So 412024 at the top of the vertical axis. So we will go to the axis chart. We will select the categories in reverse order. When we select this, you see 412024 is at the top of the vertical axis. So that's our 7th step. Our 8th step is, next you want to create a line chart depicting the heart rate reading for the month. This chart will help the patient to see trends over time. Create a line chart using the range A3 to A7, D3 to D7 on the April worksheet. We will go to the first April worksheet. We will select A3 to A7, then press Ctrl, and then we select D3 to D7, and then we go to the insert, and what we do, create a line chart using the ranges. We need to create a line chart. We will go to the recommended charts. We will go to the all charts. We will select here a line chart. We will select the chart here, press OK. We have got the chart. Move the line chart to start in cell I1 in the chart sheet. So we will cut this chart here and paste it in the I1 in the chart sheets. That's our 8th step. Our 9th step is you decide to adjust the size of the line chart. Set 3.5 height and 5 width. We will change the height and width of the chart by going the format. We will make it chart height 3.5 while width is already 5. So that's it. That's our 9th step. 10th step is change the line chart title to heart rate in April. So we will copy this one and change this one to this, and what we need, and bold the title. We will apply bold the title. We will select the title and apply bold. It's already applied. So that's our 10th step. 11th step is select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra dates from the line chart. So we will do the same as we have done with the clustered bar chart. We will go to the axis option. We will select this one. So we have got the axis option. We will go to here. We will go open axis option. We will select text axis. So you see extra dates are now removed from the chart. That's our 11 steps. In this assignment we have total 29 steps. I have completed the 11 steps. If you need info about the remaining steps, or you have any question about the steps I have done in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, which is shown on the screen, or you can contact me through my email address, which is given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. Thank you.